Right, keys. We're live on how to guide. It says how to buy cryptocurrency in Australia. So article by Kevin Dwyer, CoinMarketCap Alexandria is your buy keys. Feel free to click on the subscribe button beneath this video and also turn on notifications so you get notified whenever we drop updates on beneficial articles. So we're reviewing this article and looking at some of the pecs here. These are loads of table of content, so we try as much as possible to pick out the major concepts here. So the Australian government takes a reasonably friendly stance towards blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. So this means that crypto is completely legal in the country and investors can purchase any digital currency they like, provided they pay capital gains and taxes on their assets when they sell off. Australian citizens can create accounts and buy digital currency via international and local crypto exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and CoinSpot. The Australian government has even experimented with creating a CBDC for the Australian dollar. However, it is unclear at this time whether their plans imply a full-fledged digital dollar. Regulatory agencies that oversee cryptocurrency related activities in Australia are the Australian Securities and Investments Commission and the Australian taxation of fees ATO. So long as citizens play by the rules, they are free to trade and deal with as much as they would like in cryptocurrency. So over the years, crypto exchanges have established themselves in Australia in the tandem with rising interest from investors. The popular Australia-based exchanges like CoinSpot, SwiftFX, and CoinJar. This guide will give you explain how to buy crypto in Australia and also highlight some things you should consider as part of your venture into digital asset ownership. So buying crypto in Australia, buying and investing in digital currency in Australia is becoming a much more streamlined process. Much like trading securities, citizens need only open an account with a crypto brokerage to start trading. So Australians can hold virtual currency in wallets and trade different cryptocurrencies once they have registered for a brokerage account. So what you need in order to buy crypto in Australia, so before setting up an online account with a crypto exchange, you need to verify your identity for providing a specific document. So different exchanges will have different rules when it comes to account setup, but the following things are good to take or to know beforehand. You may need to upload your photos, Australian driver's license, passport. These are usually major bank requirements, KYC, just documentations that are usually required by when opening a bank account or more. And so access to private and secure internet connection, public Wi-Fi poses security issues. A cell phone you can use for two-factor authentication. Bank account you can withdraw from in order to deposit AUD Canadian dollars to your chosen exchange. Then a secure method of cryptocurrency storage. Most brokerages will offer a good built-in wallet or secure vault system that you can use. You can also get a hardware wallet or code wallet. Said how to buy in Australia. Said yeah, once you have all these things ready and have set up your account on an exchange, you are now ready to buy cryptocurrencies like BTC, ETH, altcoins. You need to take these following steps. So first and foremost, you can sign into your crypto exchange account via your private Wi-Fi. Select the option to buy crypto, then make sure you have selected the correct digital asset you're trying to buy. For example, you can choose between coins BTC, Binance Coin, Cardano, ETH. Different exchanges will have other currency options or Shiba Inu or Dogecoin, so you can make sure or you want to get any of the metaverse tokens. So choose how much you would like to purchase and make sure you have enough AUD or other fiat currency that you are willing to trade with. You need to preview your purchase and make sure you're comfortable with the current price of the cryptocurrency you're familiar with. If the details look correct, click buy to complete your purchase. You can then store your new assets on the exchange built-in wallet or transfer them to your hot or cold storage wallet. So the cryptocurrency prices in Australia. Australian crypto investors will easily be able to view a crypto pricing data via their exchange or using CoinMarketCap's live pricing tracker. CoinMarketCap is among the most trusted cited price tracking websites you want to utilize. So buying BTC in Australia, as BTC has risen so much in value, many investors will not be able to purchase a full BTC. Instead, our brokerages will allow you to buy fractions of it. For example, you can choose to buy, let's say, 0.003 BTC or even less depending on the your capacity. So buying Ether, this works same way. Ether is widely traded asset in Australia. Almost all exchanges which support ETH as its second largest crypto in the market. Say buying Binance in Australia. This also applies to buying Binance as well as other coins. So how to store your crypto after purchase. Say once you purchase your crypto, you need to choose a way to store your new digital assets securely. Crypto exchanges after they offer their own wallets for you to store your crypto. And this can be vulnerable to cyber theft. Then storing purchases in an independent secure wallet seems better. So there's a full list of wallet storage that you can take a look at. We have hot wallets. Others are connected to the internet, allowing users to transfer or trade crypto assets quickly due to their connectivity. Hot wallets are more vulnerable to cyber theft. Hot wallets include exchange wallet, desktop wallet, and mobile wallet. But the cold wallets are not connected to the internet. They enable you to store your crypto assets offline, making them more secure. They are, however, slower to make transactions with. Cold wallets include paper wallet keys, QR codes printed on paper and stored away safely, and hardware wallets, keys stored on a specialized device. So, you guys, that's the end of this article. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button beneath this video. It's your boy Keys, and peace out, guys. One love. We do hope this article is helpful to you. If you have any questions, because exchanges are different, if you have any questions, feel free to let us know. We attend to you. If we give you feedback in the comment section. Peace out, guys. One love and stay tuned. It's your boy Keys.